Joining me now is business reporter Edward Boyd. Ed, roughly 15,000 jobs are expected to be created during the month.
Yeah, that's the expectation. That's the consensus from Bloomberg. They surveyed about 30 economists across the country. And yeah, they believe the unemployment rate in December, it's going to remain flat at 3.9%. It has been gradually increasing over the past 6 months or so. Remember, at the start of last year, the unemployment rate was at near 50-year lows, lowest level since 1974. We do still have a very strong and tight jobs market in Australia. There's still a lot of jobs out there, but we have seen the job vacancy numbers slowly start to ease off in the last few months. But look, today, these are important figures because the Reserve Bank looks very closely at how the labour market's tracking. And right now, tip is for unemployment to come in at 3.9%, roughly 15,000 jobs added during the month. And remember as well, we've got migration constantly coming to our shores. So that also puts pressure on the job market to create more jobs in our economy. Holly.
And we also know, of course, the participation rate soared to a record high back in November. That figure, though, will be one to watch this morning, right?
Yeah, that one is the one lots of economists want to see because the participation rate is basically the percentage of people either in work or actively looking for a job, and it reached a record high in the previous month. So expect that to slowly start easing off throughout this year as the unemployment rate begins to normalise. Remember, it has been near 50-year lows, and as interest rates rise and our economy kind of gets back to pre-pandemic levels, the expectation from the Reserve Bank is the unemployment rate is going to lift to probably around the 4.4 to 4.6% range. And that's going to happen throughout the course of this year and into next year. So we're going to see the participation rate probably come down to about the 66% level, which is more of the average that it's been over the past few decades. And we're going to slowly start to see that creep through into the job figures. But numbers, they come out today, 11:30 from the Bureau of Statistics.